Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 151. How do I retrieve the content from quickly text editor in Laravel 11? And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is available real-estate_laravel_11. This is the my database name. Inside this is available quick. This is a quick table is available. Please wait. This is a table is available. This is a import in this database name. In this is a ptag strong dat. This is a implementation. Already previous video. Please check. And this my project is available. D drive inside this jump folder, inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run this project. This inside this cmd open this directory, inside successfully open this directory inside this cmd. Let's run php artisan server. php artisan server. Please wait. This is a run this direct successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a URL is a show. This is a working fine. This latest version, and this my project is available. This my project. This project is available inside this route inside this web.php available. This web.php inside this is available. This same here copy and slash. This is a 100. This is a wait. This is my mistake. This successfully implementation. Let's slash and paste here. This URL is a copy and this is a place. Successfully available, but this is import data inside this database, and this is a get not available. Less data is a get. Let's step by step get and implementation HTML tag wise. Let's this is available. This quick controller app http controller, and this is a controller is available. Quick controller inside this index function is available. This is a index function. This is a good working. This file is open. This is a file resource view and view inside this quick. This is available. How do quick and editor. This minimize, and this is available. Let's inside this table same here table is create this bootstrap table. This bootstrap table is create this same name copy and paste, and this is a div. This is a bootstrap table. Inside this table is a create, otherwise inside this table is available. Same table is a copy. This is a copy table is a copy and paste here. This is table container, and this table is a copy and paste here, and this is a data table is a remove not to use. This table class, and this table class is a close this tab t body, and last is a table class. Successfully created this table. Please write down this table is created. Let's refresh this page. Successfully inside this is available. Good working. This not used. Step by step. First of all, this is id is available. This id. Second is a title. Same name is a copy and paste here. This is a title. Third is a title. Third is a implementation. This is a res implementation res quick name. This is a save file. This two again. This is a ts. Close this and created and updated. That is a implementation. This is a created and last is a updated date. Create and update date, and this is a remove. This is a update u capital. Successfully form is a set. Good working. Let's refresh this page. This is available. Let's inside this is the implementation tr and td. Same name copy and paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. Good working. But inside this is the index function is available, this file inside this model name is available, this quick model this is already included, this model, this is a model is available, quick model, this model is available. Same name copy inside this $data get record is equal to paste here, and this is a get save file, and this $data is a copy and slash inside this pass out, this is a successfully passed, this same name copy, and inside this forest loop is a start, and this is a paste here as $value, and this is a end forest, same name is a forest. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully data is a not a get, this is successfully is a get. Let's first of all, this is the same name is a copy, and inside this is a id, paste here, and this is a first is a id set, this is the id, second is available title, same here copy and paste and title, this same titles, second is this copy and paste here, and this copy and paste here, and this quick list title, and this created and updated date is a set, created and updated date, created and updated date is a set. Successfully save file and refresh this page. Good working. This inside this is available, but this is a p tag is not look good. Let's again this inside this is two record is available, and this is a two record is available. Let's new record is a create new record test work, this is a create and submit successfully. This is a three record is available, new record and test work, in this is available database. Inside this database import, and this is a show, this three record is a show inside this show, but is a not a working fine, this is a remove, this is a not a implement, and this is not implement, and this is a set the same name. Save file and again refresh this page, and this is available. Good working. This is a body tag. Let's the same here import important data, and this is a tag by out second 4 5 7, and this is the implementation and submit, and this is a successfully submitted. Good working. This is the import data inside, this is a check this refresh this page successfully. Inside this is the same here different way, but inside this is the implementation. Laravel control Z, let's say control Z and refresh this page, but is not a good, this is a not a good. This is inside this is second 4 5, and this is a not good. Control Y, and this is the implementation, this is the implementation, and this save file and successfully working. Good. This is a successfully set. This is the text area interview data is only simple way, not other way. This is the implementation, only this implementation and this implementation, but date is a not a date is a format is a not a good. Less format wise is the implementation, this is not a format. Less date is a format. Control X date DMY S I str2 time and paste here. The same name is a copy and paste here, and this copy and paste here. This is a update date, this is a name is a set, this is updated date, this is all good. This is the find create and update date is a implementation. Let's refresh this page successfully. This is a date format wise is a implementation. Next is a implementation data, and this is a bold, and this is the name is a set work. Again this is out, and this is inside this same name is a let go, and this is the implementation this is a line dori, and this is the implementation. Successfully submit, and this is a successfully working fine. That is a successfully working fine, and this is refresh this page, and this is available in this database record get. This is all fine. Only simple when inside the start, and in this is a end. Only simple when this model, and this is a controller, only this implementation, and this single route inside this function is created. Your mind is a lost of doubt available, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help you. I am 24/7. I am always available. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. This my channel. Please subscribe and follow social media. All social media is a link. Follow. Thank you.